We've got you now! What's the problem? I forgot my swimsuit!
I won't slow them down for long.
Hello? Hello?
Huh? I'm a little busy right now.
But I can help you with your little problem.
You can? Okay, but this better not be a trick. Whoa!
Oof! Ow! Ah!
Hi?
Hello! I'm Verity, your personal helper friend. Ask me anything. I know everything.
Everything, huh? Do you know how to get me out of this jam?
Yeah, it's simple. Throw me.
Throw you?
Trust me, friend.
Alright, here goes nothing. Yeah!
Watch out!
Retreat!
That was absolutely amazing! I'm Claire, by the way. You said your name was Verity, right?
Yep, your personal assistant. So, is there anything else I can assist you with, Claire?
I guess I could use some home improvement. My weapons are pretty janky, too. Can you tell me where the nearest diamonds are at?
Of course! Y level negative 5873 blocks northeast.
Alright, Verity, let's go! Nice! You weren't lying!
Told you, I speak nothing but the truth.
Yes! Check it out, Verity!
Very nice! Now, how about we fix up that fixer-upper?
You're the boss, friendo!
Have you seen my baby? She's not a day nor a lady. Not in the way she walks, the way she talks, or the way she loves me. Just look at me.
There, all set. But, oh man, I don't have any seeds. You keep an eye on the place, Verity. I gotta go head into the village.
There's no need to go to the village. I could just spawn you some seeds.
Nah, that feels like cheating. Just stay put. I'll be back later. Good morning. Know where I might be able to trade for some seeds?
Look no further, young man. I'd be happy to trade for some emeralds.
Perfect. To think Verity just wanted to give me the seeds. What's the fun in that?
Did you say Verity?
Yeah, he's my personal helper friend. Sphere thing.
No, he's not. He's a monster.
What? Verity is not a monster.
He's unnatural. An orb in a block world? It just isn't right. Just take these and go. Get out of here. And be careful who you trust.
Huh. Wonder what that's about. Oh, it's getting late. Better get home to Verity. Verity! I'm home!
Where were you?
I told you. I went to the village to trade for some seeds.
All day?
Guess I lost track of time. What's the big deal?
There's no big deal. Forget I said anything, friend.
Okay. I'm pooped. How about you play me a song while I get ready for bed, Verity?
You got it, friend.
Can you see my baby?
Not bad. You know, you got pretty good taste, friend.
Do you mean it?
Yeah, reminds me of Fallout.
No, not that. That I'm your friend.
Oh, of course. Anyways, night, Verity.
don't see why I can't just spawn you the potatoes.
I don't like the idea of eating anything that was spawned, okay? Besides, we're already here. Huh? Hello? Where is everyone? Are they all gone?
Nope, not all of them.
Huh?
Oh, it's you. Stay away, foul beast!
Wait, Verity, did you do this?
Sure did.
But why?
I just wanted you to spend more time with me, not them.
Bad Verity, we don't attack villagers.
I don't understand.
It's fine, Verity. You didn't know. No harm, no foul.
No harm.
Ready to go into the nether and get some blaze rods?
Sure am, friend.
Let's go!
Woohoo! Player, look out!
Yeah! Spooky, scary skeleton! That was actually pretty tough. Hope we don't run into any more of those guys. Verity! Save me! Verity! Is that you? Whoa!
I've got you, player!
Verity, what the heck was that?
That was me helping.
I think I better log off for the night.
Wait, player, don't leave me.
Verity, I'm back. Sorry about yesterday, but did your face change?
No, you were gone so long, you probably just forgot what I look like.
I was only gone a day.
Right. Well, think fast, friend.
Verity, what the heck are you doing?
You left me in the nether for a day by myself!
Verity, help me!
The last time I helped you, you left me behind!
I'm sorry, Verity. I promise if you help me, I'll never leave you again.
Good. I can help with that.
Verity, you're incredible. Thanks for saving me, Verity.
I guess I really am a monster. Huh, player?
Maybe. But you're my monster.